watching your reality shows and pay attention to me for once. But nope, he just wants to watch the Christmas specials of those reality shows. You know, I think horses must be addicted to those things or something. So now I can't do that thing for the talent show. It is awful, Felicity. I am so sorry. If it helps, my mama won't let me recite things from Shakespeare, since they are too inappropriate for a lady my age. Well, to be or not to be? Aloha, guys. What's got you so upset? Nanny. Me and Felicity are upset because we cannot do the Christmas talent show. Black Beauty just wants to watch his Christmas specials of his reality shows that he doesn't have time to practice our jumping horse routine thing. Well, I was going to do a hula dance for the talent show. If you'd like, you can, do it with me. Oh, a hula dance. You know, I am the master at the hula hoop. That's not what I meant, but okay. This sounds so lame, though. Sounds like something my mother would sign me up for. If you help me with this, you won't have to pay for hot cocoa at the local coffee shop. Me too. Okay, guys, follow my graceful movements. Just be the waves. Be the waves. Easy waves, I can do that. Skabloosh, skabloosh. What are you doing? I am being the waves like you had suggested. We have to wear grass skirts and coconut bras. That sounds too cold for the weather. No, we're not going to wear grass skirts and coconut bras. That's just ridiculous. I'm not that kind of performer. Skabloosh, skabloosh. Hey, Cecile, I have an idea. How about you don't do that? Heard that. I may not know French, but I heard that. And whatever it was probably rude. I was saying this dance is going to be amazing. Oh, guys, please, follow my moves and pay attention to my gracefulness. See, it's all about technique, you guys. It's all about just letting your body do the thing. I've seen Lilo and Stitch enough times to know what I'm doing. Oh, really? I'd like to see you try, Felicity. You can see I am a total pro at this. Dear God, this is going to be a disaster. Do you think my representation of the sea is a good idea? What? Take 5, everybody. Take 5. Beauty, if you could do this for me, not just because Felicity is your half owner, but because I am your friend. Sure, I've never ridden you, but we are friends, Black Beauty. And if you could do this for Felicity, I would be very grateful. Also, I have sugar cubes that are really delicious. Black Beauty, when this person in this hula trio group thing is going to be less of a headache for me and a little easier when the performance starts. Felicity, someone would like to apologize. Isn't that right, Black Beauty? Oh, don't you come back to me after all this time and say you're sorry. I have moved on, Black Beauty. I have moved on. I have matured, Black Beauty. I am not like that anymore. I've grown up. I don't need this kind of treatment for someone I thought loved me. This is the most romantic relationship between a girl and her horse. No wonder this horse loves reality shows. Me. Black Beauty, how could I be mad at you? Come here, horse. Goodness, she's out of the way. You are trying to get rid of her? Well, neither of you know how to be graceful or do the hula, so I had to pick between you and her. I chose Felicity because she has a problem that can be solved. Yours, we're gonna need some time. You'll be lucky I am quick to forgive. I'm going home. Well, if you forgive me, why are you going home? You've got to feed my pellet. It's totally okay. Just be back here before the performance starts so we can practice again. Trust me, I will. Merry Christmas, everybody. My name is Krista Maxwell. I will be co-hosting this talent show for Christmas. Nikki will also be co-hosting this because Nikki has no talent. Anyway, ignore my insult to Nikki. So Kanani Akina and Cecile Ray will be doing a hula together as the first act, and Hopefully it's good, not a disaster like every other performance during this talent show. Jeez, it's like every one of us is talented, but then we all do something and mess it up. It's crazy. Remember, just go with the waves. Don't listen to me. I arrived here in 2011, so I've been trying to do a good performance for 3 years now. Oui, well, I arrived here in 2011 too, and I've been trying to do a good performance for 3 years now too. Oh, well, I've been here longer. I arrived in like February. You arrived in like November. Okay, well, now you're just being rude. I am never performing with you again. You are difficult, and good luck having a career. Really though, I actually mean good luck, because it is hard to get a career like that. See, because it is very difficult, which is why my mother wants me to be a singer instead of an actress. Alright everybody, that was Kanani Akina and Cecile Ray performing together, and that was actually really nice. You guys did it really well. Now, any talent scouts in the audience? My name is Cecile Ray, and my mother is in the audience, so she is my agent, so you can totally contact her in case you have any performances for me. Remember, I am an actor, so my dream is to be in the Broadway. And hi, Mom! Okay, here you go, Krista, sorry. Gosh, even during the holidays, you guys are rude. Anyway, next up is Nikki, and she'll be saying, like, who's next, so I'll be back. Oh, other than us, you know, being rude and talking to each other throughout the entire time, that performance went really well. Exactly. We did do a very good job. Pretty sure if I were in it, this would have been an amazing performance, but you know what they say. 3's a crowd. They only say that about couples. We're not... You know what? Just, let's go get some hot chocolate, because I owe you guys free hot chocolate. Hopefully I have the money.